Welcome to this demo on queues in C#. In this video, we'll explore how queues work, why they follow the first in, first out, FIFO, principle, and how to use them effectively in real-world applications. We'll cover basic queue operations like Enqueue, Dequeue, peek, and how to implement queues using the built-in queue less than T class in C#. By the end of this session, expect to have a clear understanding of queues and how they can help manage data in a structured and efficient way. Let's dive in and get started. A queue is a linear data structure that follows the first in, first out, FIFO, principle, meaning the first element added is the first one to be removed. It works just like a real-life queue, like people lining up at a ticket counter. The element added first waits the longest, and elements are processed in the exact order they arrive. In programming, queues are useful for managing tasks in a specific order, such as print jobs, process scheduling, or message handling. Watch the video on how the queues work in C#. In this video, we explored the concept of queues in C#, focusing on how the first in, first out, FIFO, principle works in practice. We walked through key operations such as Enqueue, Dequeue, and peek using the queue less than T class, and demonstrated how queues can be applied in real-world scenarios like task processing and data management. With code examples and a clear explanation, we aim to make queues easy to understand and ready to use in any C# project. Thank you for watching this demo on queues in C#. We appreciate your time and hope the explanation and examples helped make the concept clear and practical. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more programming tutorials, and share this with others who might find it helpful. Stay tuned for more content, and until next time, keep coding and keep learning.